her once!
I'm all out of flash. This is
killed
hard.
me. It is hard.
I was over. Okay, maybe we'll try some other time.
Yeah, do that one off screen.
Oh, chat says to do her summons first.
Oh,
No. I saw it loading. Okay, I guess it doesn't load yet. I'm gonna.
Oh, I spent all my money already.
Which weapons do you think I should use?
What should I do now? And now what should I do?
That's literally how I play every game.
List, please. 1, 2, 5, please. Ascending, please. Thank you. No, descending. Thank you.
Two-hand this, they say. Okay.
Two-handed this and da. Man, I don't want to fight these dogs.